Hello, Jim Tech Buzz back with a video. Today we have a quick unboxing of the TWS NB2. We'll do the usual, show you them around, then take them off for a spin. But this is the packaging here, and they are kind of a update to the original NBs here, which I still have, and I love these. These are one of my favourite earbuds from last year, and really premium. Even though they're a little bit bigger, they're still really nice, sound really well, and people do always ask what they are when you have them in the ears. They are quite large, as you can see. There's a bigger profile than these new ones here. So we're going to get into this now and show you. So we have got Bluetooth version 5, Edifier Connect, hybrid ANC, ambient sound, 32-hour playtime, IP54 dust and waterproof. So that's pretty much it there. And on the back then it will tell you about the features, which is pretty nice. So you've got hybrid cancelling technology, 30% deeper than the previous generation, 10mm drivers with composite diaphragm, crystal clear phone calls, dual mic cancellation, feature user detection and primary and secondary earbud functions, and 7 hours of charge time with 23 as mentioned, or 22 on the box there. So let's take them out and have a look. So again, excellent presentation. You can see the brand name there, nice clean black box. And when you open up, this is what you get inside. Looks really nice. So in here you get all the little bits and pieces. And yes, you get a nice little travel case, which is cool. And it's a drawstring bag, and it has the Edifier branding there. You also get your user manual. We'll be going through all that in the review. And you get your extra tips and another manual there, and your USB-C cable, and of course your extra tips. So everything you need is there from the get-go, which is nice. And we'll just pop all that stuff back in. And on to the earbuds. So yeah, this is nice. It's got a nice feel to this case, and you can see the logo here. And on the back you've got your ports there. That looks like an LED, so I'll open them up. And this is what they look like here inside in the flesh. And you've got another light in there, and you've got a button in here, left and right on this. Yes, your LED is on the back. And you can see what I mean by a similar design language here with the previous, but these are smaller obviously. And we'll pop them out. First of all, we'll see how good they are. Fairly solid there, so they won't pop out. And that's what they look like there up close. So really nice design. They are kind of sharp in the kind of corners here, but they're not sharp to the touch, but they just have that design. And you have the logo here, which will be the touch area, and up on top there you can see that. And on the back you have got left and right with the connection points there, your tips, and up on top you can see some more mics there. And you can see the sensors there for auto play and pause, I presume. So that's pretty much what they look like there, and just put them side by side once more to the previous ones. And you can see there the similar design language. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, you have 10mm drivers, you've got the impedance 24Hz, Bluetooth 5.0, and your USB-C connection there. So that's what they look like in the flesh anyway for our first look and unboxing. So when we come back, we'll do a review and tell you what we think, and we'll show you how they work as well, like we always do. And that's pretty much it for now. Any questions, feel free to ask down below, and we'll see you in the next one.